Hi guys, today I'll be showing you honeybee buzz. It's called honeybee buzz. I got it somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe from Kmart. I don't really know, but that might be very good. And it's called honey buzz bee. I'll be playing with this with my mom and it will be so much fun. We'll see who wins or loses. Now I've unboxed it. So there's some playing thingies and a spinner, one honeybee, and a toy beehive. Now I'll set it up and I'll show you how it's set up. I just spin this brown thing, then I put the honeybee inside. So I'll start. They get 1 or 2. Oh yeah, I'll just do 2. So put wolf. So put 1 here. Just don't let the bee sting me. Okay. Now it's my mom's turn. You skip turn. Okay, my turn. 1. It didn't move. Okay. 1. I think it's going to sting me. Ah! Sting me! I lost because I got stung from this honeybee. Why did you sting me? Biz. And also I played against my mom, but I lost. And at the end, did you see that bee jump out? Yeah, I'll eat only honey from this. Bye.